Dear students, in last lecture we completed 4 sums from the practice set 6.1. Now we have to start with the question number 5th one. See dear student, for solving that we have to use identities and various formulas. Just revise the identities. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. And dear student, we know that sin and cosec are inverse of each other. That means sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Then cos and sec are inverse. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and cot and tan and cot, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Like this, these properties or these formulas and this identity we have to use. Dear student, for solving particular sum, we use various formulas. That means there is various method. Now see here, the question number 5th one. If tan theta is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to 1, then we have to find out the value of this. Sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta. Dear student, to find out the value of this, we must have to find out first sin theta, then cos theta, then value of sec theta and cosec theta. After getting the value of each ratio, we can substitute that values and we will get the final answer. For finding out the values of sin theta, sec theta, cos theta and cosec theta, we have to use these identities and some formulas. Now dear students, see, we can use various formula. That means it is not a we can't say that we have to use this property or this identity only. No, we can use another identity and then we can find out the values. Now dear students, see, first of all, what is given? Given is tan theta is equal to 1. Now dear students, see here, we required sin theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta. And now dear student, tan theta is given. See here, related to tan theta, there is a one formula, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. That means if we use this property, this identity, we can find out the value of sec theta. We require this. Now sec theta and cosec theta are inverse of each other. That means by getting sec theta, easily we can find out the cos theta. After getting cos theta, see dear student, after getting cos theta, if we can find out the cot theta, and after getting cot theta, we can find out cosec theta. Or dear student, if we got cos theta, by using this identity we can find out sin theta, and after finding sin theta we can find out the cosec theta, because cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. That means we can use various methods. First of all, see, tan theta is equal to 1, therefore we can write we know. That means we have to use this identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now dear students, see here, 1 plus tan square theta, it is 1 plus tan square theta, value of tan square, it is given. Now see here, 1 plus tan theta is equal to 1, therefore we can write here 1 square is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus square of 1 is 1 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore dear student, 1 plus 1, it is 2 sec square theta. Taking the square root, root 2 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore dear student, sec square theta is equal to root 2. Is it right? No dear student. See, it is sec square theta is 2. We are taking the square root. Therefore square root of 2 is root 2. Here we have to write only sec theta. Got it? Therefore we got here value of sec theta is equal to root 2. Now dear students, see here, sec theta we got, it is root 2. Now dear student, second identity or second formula we can use. It is the relation between sec and cos. That is, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Got it dear student? Therefore we can write here sec theta is equal to, we required cos theta. Therefore directly we can write cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. This is the formula. Therefore dear student, we got here, therefore cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. What is sec theta? We can write here 1. From 1 we can write cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. We know this formula. Therefore cos theta is equal to what is the value of sec theta? It is root 2. Therefore dear student, we got here cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. This is second. Now dear student, see, sec theta we got root 2, cos theta we got 1 upon root 2. Dear student, we required sin theta. Now see dear student, for finding out the sin theta we know the first, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can apply this. Got it? Now dear student, see, sin square theta plus what is cos theta? It is 1 upon root 2. Therefore 1 upon root 2 bracket square is equal to 1. Therefore dear student, sin square theta plus square of 1 is 1 and square of root 2 it is 2 is equal to 1. Therefore dear student, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2. Therefore sin square theta is equal to 2 1s are 2 and 2 minus 1. Therefore dear student, sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Taking square root, sin theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now dear student, we got this is 3. We got sin theta. Now we required cosec theta. Here we can write, we know, that is cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Therefore dear student, 1 upon sin theta is 1 upon root 2. Therefore cosec theta is equal to root 2. What is dear student? Sec theta is root 2. Cosec theta is also we got root 2. Now dear students, we have to find out the value of this. See dear student, sec first is sin theta. Yes, we got the sin theta 1 upon root 2. Cos theta, yes, cos theta is 1 upon root 2. Then sec theta, it is root 2 and cosec theta is root 2. We got all the values. Therefore dear student, we write here sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to sin theta. What is sin theta? Dear student, it is 1 upon root 2 plus cos theta. Cos theta is also 1 upon root 2 and divided by sec theta. Sec theta, it is root 2 plus what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is also root 2. Now dear students, see, we have to simplify this. Root 2 plus root 2, it is 2 root 2. Now dear student, we have to solve this. Root 2 into root 2, base is same, we write root 2 and 1 plus 1 it is 2. Therefore dear student, 2 root 2 into this 2 root 2 upon 1. Now dear students, see dear student, it is 2 root 2 upon 1. It is not correct. It is 1 upon 2 root 2. It is 2 root 2 upon 1. It get inverse, that is 1 upon 2 root 2. Now dear student, 2 into 1 it is 2 and 2 into root 2 into root 2 it is 2. Therefore dear student, it is 1 upon 2. Therefore, final answer sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Dear student, see, it is simple. If you know this identity and which identity we have to apply, that is important. If you find out that, then it is very easy. Dear student, we can solve this by another method. See, it is very simple. I will show you the second alternative method for this. You write down this in your notebook. See the alternative method, very simple and very easy. See dear student, tan theta is equal to 1. Okay, but by value of serious, but tan 45 degree is equal to 1. We know this. Therefore, theta is equal to 45. What is there, student? Tan theta is equal to 1. We know this formula value. It is given. But by that chart, we know that tan 45 is equal to 1. That means this theta angle is 45. Therefore, see dear students, sin theta is equal to sin 45. And we know the value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Then dear student, cos theta. Cos theta means cos 45. Then cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. Then dear student, sec theta. Sec theta means sec 45 and sec 45 is root 2. We know the values by using that chart. Now see here, second one is a cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to cosec 45 and cosec 45 is also root 2. Now dear student, see, this much you have to write. Tan theta is equal to 1, but tan 45 is equal to 1, that means theta is equal to 45. That means sin theta is sin 45 and value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos theta is equal to cos 45 and the value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Like this we get the value. See here, sin theta is 1 upon root 2. Yes, it is 1 upon root 2. Cos theta is 1 upon root 2. It is 1 upon root 2. Sec theta is root 2. Sec theta is root 2 and cosec theta is root 2. Just simplify this, we will get the answer. That means we can solve by this alternate method also. Now dear student, we have to start with the question number 6. Dear student, we have to start with question number 6. Till now we find out the values of trigonometric ratios. But now we have to prove that. See dear student, in question number 6, first sub question is there. We have to prove that is this sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. That means this is the left hand side, that is LHS, and this is the right hand side, that is RHS. These LHS and RHS are equal, that we have to prove. For that purpose, dear student, we have to use the identities. Now see here, first of all, we have to write the left hand side. Therefore, we write here LHS, that is left hand side, is equal to, it is sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. Got it? Now dear student, we have to solve this. After solving, we require this sec theta. That means the value of this is equal to sec theta. Then we say that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, dear students, see here, this is left hand side, means sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos theta upon 1. Therefore, we have to do the addition of this. Simple addition. What we have to do? We have to do the multiplication of this. Dear student, cos theta into 1. Therefore, directly we can write denominator as a cos theta. Now dear students, sin square theta into 1. Therefore, we write here sin square theta plus this cos theta. Got it? into cos theta. Then we got here cos square theta. Got it? See, very simple. And now dear student, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, directly we can write here 1 by using this identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Here we have to give the reason, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now dear student, see here 1 plus cos theta. We know the identity cos theta and sec theta are the inverse of each other. Therefore, instead of this cos theta, we can write here sec theta. Since we have to write here, since 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Therefore, we solve the LHS and we get the answer as a RHS. And therefore, dear student, left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore, we have to write here final answer sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. That means both these two sides are equal, that we prove. Got it? Now dear students, see the second one. It is also very simple. What is given? Cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. This left hand side we have to solve and we have to prove it is right hand side. Therefore, dear student, we can write here cos, we have to write first left hand side. LHS is equal to cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Now dear student, see here cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, we can write here sec square theta. Now dear student, see here cos square theta into sec square theta. Since we have to write here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This identity we have to write. Now dear students, see this cos square theta into this sec square theta. This sec square theta means it is 1 upon cos square theta. Why is it so? Because we know that 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. And because of this, we write here, instead of sec square theta, we can write 1 upon cosec square theta. Now this cosec square theta and this cosec square theta will get cancelled. It is 1. And dear student, we write here LHS is equal to RHS. And therefore, we can write here cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Dear student, if you do the practice, then and only then you can able to understand which identity we have to use for which sum. Therefore, it is important to do the practice. Then and only then you will able to find out which identity we have to use in which step. Now dear student, we have to solve the third one. See dear student, we have to start with third one. See here, under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Dear student, what we have to do? We have to write first left hand side. LHS is equal to under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. We have to prove that sec theta minus tan theta. That means we have to solve this. We get answer as a sec theta minus tan theta. Therefore, dear students, see here, in this case, first of all, we have to do the rationalize the denominator. Now, for rationalization of a denominator, what we have to do? We have to write 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta into, we have to multiply this numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta. Therefore, we write here 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Got it? Now, dear student, this is rationalization of the denominator. Now, what we have to write? We have to see here. 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now, dear student, do the multiplication. 1 minus sin theta, here also 1 minus sin theta, that means 1 minus sin theta bracket square. Got it? Now, dear students, see here. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. All of you know that the a plus b in bracket a minus b. Then we write a square minus b square. Same way. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, that means 1 minus sin square theta. That means square of 1 is 1 and square of sin theta, that is sin square theta. Now, dear students, see here, very easy. This 1 minus sin theta bracket square upon 1 minus sin square theta. See, dear student, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then, see, if we take that sin square theta on that set, we get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That means instead of 1 minus sin square theta, we can write here cos square theta. Here we have to write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity we have applied here. Now, dear student, taking square root, then we got here LHS is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Got it? We take out the square root, 1 minus sin theta is equal upon cos theta. Then, dear student, LHS is equal to this 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. That means we can write here 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. We write it this denominator as a separately. Now, dear student, 1 upon cos theta. We know that 1 upon cos theta means sec theta minus sin theta upon cos theta, it is tan theta. We know the formula, therefore we have to write here 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore, dear student, we got here LHS is equal to C, sec theta minus tan theta. Therefore, it is RHS. We got left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, we write here, this is important one. You must have to write this 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Dear student, it is important one that you must have to write this last step. Very simple. Here we use sin square theta plus cos square theta and these two formulas, then it is easy to solve. Now we have to start with the fourth one. See, dear student, question number fourth one. Here also we have to prove this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is LHS is equal to, dear student, sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta. We have to solve this. For that purpose, we have to use identities and formulas. Now, dear student, we require tan theta into sec theta. Now, see, dear student, this sec theta, instead of sec theta, we can write here 1 upon cos theta, isn't it? Yes. Minus this cos theta. this cos theta, we have to write cos theta upon 1. Got it? Then dear student, see here, in this bracket, this cot theta means sin cos theta upon sin theta, plus this tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Got it? See dear student, this sec theta means 1 upon cos theta minus this cos theta upon 1. Here it is cot theta plus tan theta. This cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta, and this sin theta upon cos theta. Now dear student, we have to solve this. Here it is cos theta into 1, therefore it is cos theta. It is 1 into 1, 1, minus this cos theta into cos theta, it will be a cos square theta. Isn't it? Everyone got this? We have to multiply this cos theta into 1 cos theta. 1 into 1 it is 1, and cos theta into cos theta it is cos square theta. Then dear students, see here. Here also we have to this sin theta into cos theta. We have to multiply this. Then cos theta into cos theta, it will be a cos square theta, plus sin theta into sin theta, it is sin square theta. Now dear student, see here, 1 minus cos square theta means, see, 1 minus cos square theta. This cos square theta goes on that side, 1 minus cos square theta means we can write here sin square theta upon cos theta into, see dear student, this cos square theta plus sin square theta, that means cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, and here it is sin theta into sin theta into cos theta. Now dear students, see, this sin square theta and this sin theta get cancelled. 1 sin theta is remaining, this cos theta as it is, into this 1 upon this sin theta, it get cancelled with this sin square theta, therefore only cos theta is remaining. Now dear student, you can understand, we require tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta means tan theta, we know, and 1 upon cos theta means sec theta. Therefore we got, dear student, here LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore we can write here sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta. Dear student, in this way we prove this LHS is equal to RH. See dear student, now we have to start with the fifth one. See, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. This left hand side is equal to right hand side, that we have to. Therefore first of all we have to write left hand side is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. Now dear student, we know that cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta, plus this tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta, by using the rules. Now see, we have to do the addition of this sin theta into cos theta, therefore we write here sin theta into cos theta. Do the cross multiply. We write here cos theta into cos theta, that will be a cos square theta, plus this sin into sin, it will be a sin square theta. Now dear student, cos square theta plus sin square theta, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 upon, we write here sin theta into cos theta. Here we have to write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now dear students, see here, this is 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. Now dear student, 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta. Therefore we can write here cosec theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta means sec theta. Therefore we write here left hand side is equal to right hand side, and therefore final answer cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. This is, dear student, it is the question number 51. Now we have to start with the sixth one. In this case, see the left hand side. LHS is equal to it is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now dear student, as in an earlier sum, we do the rationalization of the denominator, same thing we have to apply here. 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. Conjugate pair. Sec theta minus tan theta, we change the sign plus and multiply with that. Then dear student, we got here 1 into sec theta plus tan theta, it will remain as it is. After that, this sec theta minus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta, we know a square minus b square. Therefore we can write here sec square theta plus here minus sec square theta minus tan square theta. Got it? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now dear student, sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta upon this sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. See dear student, this tan square we can take on that side, it gets sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here we can write 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now dear students, see here, we got this sec theta plus tan theta. Therefore we write here LHS is equal to RHS, and we got here 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Dear student, in this way we completed the question number 6th one. Now we have to start with the 7th one. See dear student, we have to solve the question number 7th one. Sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Dear student, we have to write first LHS is equal to sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta. Now dear students, see here, we can change this like this sin square theta raised to 2, isn't it? It is same, sin raised to 4 theta minus, same thing we can convert, it is cos square theta raised to 2. Now dear students, see here, it is sin square theta square minus cos square theta square. That means here a square minus b square formula we can apply. Now here a means what? We can write here a plus b and here a minus b. Now in this case, what is a? A means sin square theta, and what is b? B means cos square theta. Therefore dear student, instead of this we can write in first bracket, we write here, see dear student, a plus b. A plus b means we have to write sin square theta plus cos square theta. In second bracket, we can write sin square theta minus cos square theta. Got it, dear student? Here it is a plus b and here it is a minus b. A means sin square theta, b means cos square theta, and here it is minus. Now dear student, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Into bracket, we write here sin square theta minus cos square theta. Got it? See dear students, instead of this sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1, and this sin square theta minus cos square theta remain as it is. Now dear students, here here we have to write sin square theta. It is sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now dear students, see here, we know the formula, that is, here also we have to write, it is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now dear students, see, this sin square theta we can write by using this cos square theta we can take on that side. Therefore what will be remaining here, instead of this sin square theta we have to write here sin square theta, this cos square theta we can take on that side. Therefore it is 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. See dear student, I think everyone understood it. Instead of this sin square theta, I write 1 minus cos square theta. Here we can remove this word, that 1. Now here 1, this 1 minus cos square theta, it is the value of sin square theta, and this cos square theta is remain, this is 1, this is minus cos square theta, and this is 1 minus cos square theta, that is minus 2 cos square theta. Yes student, see, very simple, this a and this b, therefore a plus b, a minus b. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta, here we got here 1, and this sin square theta minus cos square theta as it is. Now this sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, 1 remain as it is. This is 1 cos square theta minus 1 cos square theta means 2 cos square theta. See, 1 minus 2 cos square theta, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore we have to write here sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. In this way, dear student, we completed 7 questions from this practice set 6.1. Remaining we will see in next lecture. Thank you.